Copper wire recycling machine for sale. What types cable wires could be recycled? Copper wire recycling machine recycles scrap cable wires through crushing and separation process, so it has no limit for the input cable wire size or types. Any building wires and cables, industrial cables, low-voltage cables, flexible cords, fixture wires or special-purpose wire and cable, like battery lead wire, boat wire, bus drop cable, electric vehicle cable, festoon cable, distributed generation cable, etc., all could be recycled through copper wire recycling machine. Benefit analysis of copper wire recycling machine. Raw materials: automobile wire, containing about 60% of copper, different cable types, different copper content. Processing capacity: 500 kilograms per hour, 8 hours per day. Power consumption: 44 kW/h.